Hello, water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. This is your general love reading for April 2025. Let's take a look at your overall energy. Okay, first you have the Two of Pentacles in upright position. Okay, so water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. This is your general love reading for April 2025. You have the Two of Pentacles in upright position, the Tower in reverse, and the Eight of Wands in upright position. I see that you are juggling different responsibilities and priorities. Madami kayong hinahandle na project. Medyo nahihirapan na kayo i-balanse ang inyong love life at ang inyong karera. Siguro, medyo nawawala na din kayo ng time sa inyong love life for some of you. Kasi puro na lang kayo trabaho. Wala na kayong time sa kanya. There might be some unexpected breakup or emotional imbalance. Parang napifeel ko na may change of energy. Siguro you or the other person is so busy with those responsibilities, priorities, careers, kaya wala na kayong masyadong time sa inyong relationship. Kaya you have the Tower here. Kasi itong Tower in reverse position indicates breakup, unexpected breakup, sudden change of energy, sudden change of emotion. Parang nafe-feel ko na you or the other person is hindi na kaya ipagsabay yung mga responsibilities and priorities. Parang nawawalan na sila ng time. Kaya they have to let go of something. And then you have this Eight of Wands in upright position. Sobrang bilis ng magaganap, no? Siguro after this breakup, meron agad kayong tao na makakausap. Merong tao na parang matagal na naghihintay sa inyo na magkakaroon na ng chance to approach you because you are single. Ganon. For some of you that are single, maybe you are very, parang wala na kayong time sa love, kaya you remain single. But then, there's a sudden change na magaganap at merong mag-a-approach sa inyo to offer a relationship, maybe at the end of the month. For some of you that are in a relationship, you might find it hard to balance your relationship and your love to balance your relationship and your career. So that's why there's a sudden conflict, misunderstanding, sudden change of emotion, sudden breakup. But then again, merong paparating agad na bagong love life. Okay, so that's your reading. Water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Take what's resonate and leave the rest that are not. Follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe.